Molweni, in this video we are going to look for more than one object. Looking for objects, ukufuna izinto. Izinto are things, and I want you to notice or look out for the frequency of usage of the zi for them, the objects that we are looking for. So we are looking at typical phrases in the context of looking for some objects. And these objects are izichixo. They are keys that we are looking for. Sifuna izichixo. So here are the imibuzo. Where are they? Namely, my keys. And here we have the Z, which I was talking about. Ziphi izichixo. And we use the Z because of the Z we see there at the beginning of the word. Izichixo, ziphi. Are my keys here? Izichixo zam zikhona. Are they here? And have you seen them, namely the object? Uzi, you, zi, them, bonile, have seen. Izichixo zam. Some possible apologies for this. Looking for keys, responses. Izichixo, impendulo. I don't know about them. Andizazi. Not andiziazi, but andizazi. We just dropped the I. Remember, all negatives begin with a. So here we have, they are not here. Azikho. I have not seen them. Negative. Andizibonanga. Temba has taken them. Utemba uzithatile. They were taken by Temba. Zithathwe nguTemba. Again, some more responses. They are possibly at home. Zisekhaya. Or I've left them in the car. That is where they are. Zisemotweni. The Z refers to them. Izichixo. And if they are here, where could they possibly then be? They are here, somewhere. Ewe zikhona. I've seen them. Ndizibonile. I them have seen. They are on the table. Zisetafileni. They are in the drawer. Zisedroweni. And then suddenly the keys come to light. Kubonwa izichixo. Here they are. Nazi. There they are a little further away. Nazo. And there they are some distance even further away. Nazia. Nazi here. Nazo there. Nazia over there. So the vocab, similar vocab to the previous video, we've used predominantly bona and tata, to see and to take. So I have seen them. Ndizibonile. I have not seen them. Andizibonanga. Somebody has taken them. Uzithatile. They were taken. Or they have been taken, full stop. And they were taken by someone. So two different forms of the past tense here, but again we will be delving into that in more detail further on. Just take note of these examples in the meanwhile. Enkosi kakhulu.